When it comes to important and urgent, those are going to be tasks with clear deadlines and consequences if they don't happen. So do.
Okay, do it. Good. Like, I guess
Do
that's
it.
2 words. Okay, important, but not urgent.
Important, urgent. So not urgent. That would be, they would bring me closer to a long-term goal, but not a deadline. So schedule it.
Schedule it. Okay, important, not urgent. Do it. Important, not urgent. Schedule it. Important, urgent. Do it. Okay. How about not important and urgent?
Not important and urgent. If it's not important to me, that probably means it doesn't need my expertise in order to be completed. So that means if it could get done by somebody else. So delegate.
Delegate. Cool. Okay, not important, not urgent.
Delete it.
Okay. Or
That's
let
an
them
easy
pile
one.
up. Or in my case, let them pile up.
I was just going to say how many of those emails fit into that character. Yeah, I mean, they're just distractions maybe, or don't add real value, which can be hard, you know, like even I used to do it with an old boss. Is this a now or a sometime you want it to happen, or a never? Like, is this just an idea you're throwing out there, but you really don't ever care that it happens? It's just this weird random idea. So yeah, you have to be discerning.